Welcome to the vlog. Oh, yes.
If you see me, please recognize me and call me by my true name of Pink Flamingo Hat Guy. Getting recognized at comps as Pink Flamingo Hat Guy is the highlight of every single comp. Anytime it happens. Doesn't happen often, but when it does, it just makes my day. It's great. Oh, I had a hand on it.
And before Ming sees this video and like, he
And then
works at the
decides
school.
that we're never gonna have comps at Northside because we're gonna break something.
Mr. Duncan Butcher, would you like to be interviewed? Can I interview you?
Yeah, sure, I'm perfectly. I guess that was an first interview question.
Yeah, it was actually. I didn't really ask before I started interviewing you.
This is all the footage you're gonna have. What do I say?
Here we see a wild Duncan Butcher in this car. Oh my god, he got snacks.
How well do Cubans know their world record?
Close a bit. I can mark it.
Can they identify famous speed cubers?
Hello there.
Thanks for watching.